So YouTube, today we're going to be replacing the idler bearings on this 6.2 liter Ford. Now I am having some issues with the bearings here on the road. Sometimes when I'm on the highway I can kind of hear them rattling a little bit, and then also on idle I can barely hear them squeaking. So hopefully replacing both of these should go ahead and fix the issue here. And here's the part number I'm using. I believe Murray is actually the manufacturer for these, so I didn't actually get the actual OEM ones, but pretty dang close. So you'll need a 1/2 inch drive, 13mm socket. Take the serpentine belt off, and we got one right there, and then the other one is right down there. So let's go ahead and get it replaced. Pull this guy down, get the serpentine belt off. You can actually see the OEM one is etched with Canada, so these look real similar. Sits on there like that. Get the bolt back in there. Get the other side. Tighten them back up. Get the serpentine belt on there with the pulleys. All right, once you got them all in place, you can torque it to 18 foot-pounds or 216 inch-pounds, depending on what you got. So we got them both torqued. All right, looking at the bearings here, you can go ahead and spin this one. See, that one spins pretty good. Now, watch this one. Stops pretty quick and pretty hard to pick up, but there is a faint noise going on in there when you're rotating them. So with this one just barely rotating, this is probably the culprit that's making that bad bearing noise. Definitely want to replace these before they actually do go bad. And the nice thing about the metal ones too is when the bearings are making noises, this metal part is actually resonating and making even louder noise. So if you get the plastic ones, they are a little bit quieter. So the metal ones are louder, which will tell you that it's going to fail early, or it's starting to fail, so you can catch it a little bit earlier. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.